Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Figma libraries for faster UI production workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma project. Navigate to the Assets panel located in the left sidebar. Click on the library icon at the top of the Assets panel. In the library modal, you will see a list of available libraries. To enable a library, toggle the switch next to its name to the on position. You will notice the enabled libraries turn bold in the list. Once a library is enabled, its components will be accessible in the Assets panel. Close the library modal to return to your project. To use a component from the library, go back to the Assets panel. Search for the component you need or browse through the sections. Drag and drop the desired component onto your design canvas. If you decide to make changes to a component, you can detach it. Right-click on the component and select Detach Instance. Make the necessary adjustments to the component. Remember that changes made to a detached instance won't affect the original component in the library. To update a library with your own components, return to the library modal. Click on Publish to open the Publish window. Select the components you want to publish. Add a description of the updates for better tracking. Click on the Update button to publish the changes. Now, you and your team can utilize the updated components across projects. Regularly check for updates in your enabled libraries to stay current. Enable multiple libraries to enhance your design resource collection. Utilizing libraries efficiently can significantly speed up your UI production workflows. Explore different libraries available in the Figma community for inspiration. Stay organized by categorizing your components in the library. This will streamline your design process and improve collaboration within your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.